Here I have OnePlus 10 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to customize watermark in camera on this device. So first let's open camera, tap here, go to its settings, then go to the watermark, and here for example we can add watermark to photos, to videos, or to photos and videos. We can add like our custom text as author name, for example, something like that. We can add shot on OnePlus, we can add location, and we can also add date and time. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.